Hey there, I'm Emma. I'm a writer, recipe developer,
and I'm always short on time.
A big little recipe has big flavor and a little ingredient list.
Today, our food stylist Sam is cooking chicken in 3 minutes. First, we'll broil some cherry tomatoes until they're charred and jammy. Every broiler is different, so check on them often. While the tomatoes are cooking, let's butterfly the chicken breasts. Pound them as thin as possible. This helps them cook evenly and quickly. Back to the tomatoes. We're tossing them with summery mint, but basil, dill, or parsley all work too. Now, let's get cooking. Get a cast iron pan super hot. Estimate 1 to 1.5 minutes per side. Here's the best part, burrata, a cream-filled mozzarella that's good on everything. Let's repeat this all summer long. And that's 3-minute chicken in 4 ingredients. Let's eat.